Have you ever wanted to build a website but got stuck because of coding, design, or just time? What if I told you AI can now do it for you in seconds? Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some futuristic tech. It's happening right now. Today, we're exploring how AI-powered website builders like Durable, 10Web, and Wix ADI can create fully functional websites in under a minute. All you do is describe your idea, and AI handles the rest. Let's break it down. Imagine typing something like, I need a modern website for a photography business with pricing, a contact form, and a gallery. And in seconds, the AI designs the full site, complete with layout, images, and content tailored to your niche. No coding, no templates, just a clean, smart site ready to go live. Let's look at the top 3 tools you can try today. 1. Durable.co. Branded as the world's fastest website builder, Durable asks a few quick questions about your business and instantly generates a multi-page site, including content, images, and even branding. You can edit, relaunch, and publish in one click. 2. 10web.io. Built on WordPress, this platform uses AI to create your entire site, optimize SEO, and even repurpose content. It's perfect if you want full control, but still want AI to do the heavy lifting. 3. Wix ADI. Artificial Design Intelligence. Wix's AI builder interviews you like a designer. It builds a site from scratch, including matching fonts, color palettes, layouts, and even business-specific content. These tools aren't just for techies. They're built for busy people, freelancers, students, side hustlers, and even local businesses. Want to add a store, blog, booking form, or chatbot? Just ask, and AI will plug it in. The benefits? White heavy checkmark, no need to hire developers. White heavy checkmark, no design stress. White heavy checkmark, no wasted time. White heavy checkmark, you get a fully responsive, customizable website in minutes. And the best part, these tools learn as you build. They adjust your layouts, improve content, and recommend next steps as your site evolves. Even better, some platforms offer built-in marketing tools like email capture, social sharing, and analytics, all integrated into your site from the start. So you're not just building a website, you're launching an entire online presence. So if you've been waiting to start your brand, promote your services, or showcase your portfolio, this is your green light. Let AI build the foundation so you can focus on growing your business. Loudspeaker, if you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to AI Hustle Lab, where smart tools meet smart hustlers. We explore the latest in AI-powered apps, side hustles, automation, and digital business hacks. Direct hit in our next video, we'll compare AI website builders versus human developers, when to use which, and how to scale fast with both. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.